License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
And all the way out, yes ma'am, shoulders loose and relaxed right there. Beautiful motion, T7. That is a very specific, there we go. And what we're gonna do is adjust her lower back. Hips relax, Miss Hood. There you go. Nice to see you, dear.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
Hips relax, drop the hip, yep, just like that, loosen the shoulders.
Oh yes.
There we go, all right, and we're gonna go over this way now. So that was her upper lower back, her upper lumbar. Now we're going to the lower. I'm gonna move her this way. Shoulders, hips relax, yes ma'am, breathe in deep. Right there. Excellent, dear, we're gonna lay onto our back. Continue to breathe in. Head all the way relaxed, all the way over. This is a tight spot for her sometimes. We're gonna breathe in again. In and out. Okay, head, body stays there, head bends easy.
There you go.
There we go. And breathe again, yes. All the way, breathe. Drop the head a little over to the right, just like that. Drop again. Oof. Now, sometimes we don't get movement when it's really tight, so slow breath in and out. And bring it over even more. One more breath in and out. There.
Oh
Beautiful.
shit. That was so good.
We got it.
Woo.
So the spine was out of alignment. Careful assessment and way out. Excellent motion. Breathe in again and out. Beautiful. One more and out. Wow, that moved already.
Already, just from your touch.
Amazing. I think she's biased. Come on to your side facing me this way. Okay, we're gonna bend like so. Hips relaxed. Nice and easy. Shoulders drop.
So
Beautiful
good.
motion. Come on over this way.
Wrong outfit.
Hips relaxed. Breathe in nice and deep. And out. Wow. Amazing. Big deep breath in. And out. We're going to start over here.
So good.
One more.
All over again.
Feels good, right? And out. There we go. Hips relaxed. And slow deep breath in. And out. Way. Excellent. Breath in. And out. Good. A little tight in frame there, but we got it again. Breath in, Miss Hay. And out. Chest relaxed. Beautiful. Right?
Yep.
Big breath in and out. Drop the hips, drop. Beautiful. Do that. Breath in and out. Drop. Good job with
it
that.
that
Yeah,
way.
we'll say that. Hand, open the mouth here, head up, and then just let it relax. So you've done so well so far. Haley's been doing all her exercises. You're going to push up with your delt. Beautiful, and open the mouth wide, push up, bite down, push up. Protrude line here, we're going to breathe in and out. And breathe in, open slowly, and out. Breathe in and out. Now relax the breath, open slowly. Beautiful, breath in. Lower cervical adjustment, head relax, loose. Definitely a little more inflammation than usual. Head relax. There we go. Anterior tibialis is strong. She's fighting through it. Up and out, push. And this is shortening the muscle, resetting the firing of the Golgi tendon organs. Now for my favorite part, and we're going to go with her navicular here. Wow. Big release. Wow, another one. Take care of the spine. Hips relaxed. So her sacrum here, these nerves go down into those muscles. We're going to adjust the sacrum and the upper lumbar here. But first, breath in, Shawnee. And out. Beautiful. And again. Excellent. Round your side, breathe and here. And breath in. And out. Wow. Quite some movement there. Hips relax. Down to the sacrum. Little movement, but I'll take it. Well. Oh. Yeah. Drop there. Hinge. And down. Keep squeezing down. Fall back. Wow. Would you say you have some breath in, Jay? All the way out. Shoulders relax.
Oh God.
Yeah, big movement there. Breathe in again here. All the way out. Yeah, it's tight through there today, right?
Yeah.
It really is. Breathe in again, Jay. Let the shoulders relax down. Chest relax, easy.
I feel like normally that one's so good.
Normally it moves so easily, right?
Yeah.
You know, so shoulders relax, head relax. Easy right there. Let your neck loose.
Oh God.
We got it.
There it went.
Big movement there. Good job, Jay. You doing okay?
Yeah. It's a little sore, but it's
Yeah, it is sore.
yeah, but I can just moving again. I was like, oh,
Yeah,
felt it.
it does. Luckily, the body can heal.
It's true.
You will be okay. You are okay.
It's true.
We're gonna go like this, Jay. We're gonna breathe in nice and deep. And out. Hips dropped all the way.
Oh God. There she went.
There you go. I know. Hips relaxed all the way. There we go. All right. Is that C2 vertebrae there?
Oh God. I was not expecting that.
Tell people is the number one benefit you've experienced from getting adjusted. Your mid-lower thoracic, and I'm going to put a motion in like this, Miss Sarah. You're going to feel a movement and hear a noise. It is not your bones rubbing together. It is nitrogen gas releasing from your joint. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. After that, we're going to come up to your T6 mid-thoracic. Breath in. Shoulders relax, chest relax. Beautiful. Little bit of motion there. Does it feel pretty tight to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
You're going to turn around this way. Yeah, head down, my dear. I'm going to put my hands right here. Your hands are going to go on top of mine and interlock your fingers and squeeze. Now, perfect. Now breathe in deep and keep squeezing and fall back. Breathe out.
Ooh.
How did we do there?
That was good.
And out. Hips relaxed. Shoulders loose right there.
Ooh.
Wow.
That was good.
Yes, that was it. And then like so. This one right here. And breath in again. And out. Chest relax, shoulders relax.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Breathe again. And out, my dear.
Ooh. Yes. That was very good.
Yeah, that needed to happen. Lady here with her neck, her spine, not her jaw just yet. Breathe in. And out. Chest relax. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And for her to report that jaw opening for the first time, I know that one was a little rough.
That was a good one though.
It was. Big movement, big movement. It's shocking when the spine doesn't move a lot and then it starts moving, right?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in again. And out. Really let the chest sink, the chin up a little bit. Yep, and then let it go right there. Okay, we'll come back to that one. Yeah, it's a big change when the spine starts moving, but to have that improvement already without touching the jaw is wonderful. Haley. Very dear. Hips relaxed. Switch these guys. Big breath in and out. Wow.
Nice.
Was ready for that.
Yeah,
Come on over
right?
here. And we're gonna breathe in again. And all the way out. Hips relaxed. Beautiful. Now we're gonna stand up. We're gonna align your upper backs down. I'm gonna put my hands here. Ears on top of mine. Interlock your fingers, squeeze down, breathe in. And out, fall back, chest up, look up. Perfect. Now we're gonna wait. And out. And another one. All the way out. Let the chest relax, shoulders relax. Wow, there we go. A little bit. This is your sacrum on the right side. Your sacrum's that bone right before the coccyx. The left sacrum's not moving. Is it okay if I touch right down here?
Fix me.
Fix me, I know, right? Stop it hurting. So this is, that hurts right there. That's the right sacrococcygeal junction. Try to let the hips relax a little bit. I'm sorry if it hurts. Does this one hurt? Breath in. All the way out. Hips relax. Shoulders relax, just like that. All the way. Wow.
Oh my God.
That was a big motion.
That was a big
Breath in and out. Hips relax. Shoulders, you see it's starting to move already. I'm gonna lean way over you on this one. Shoulders relax, a little bit back. Wow. That's a big. And out. Head relaxed. Wow. I knew that was gonna be big. Nice and deep, Miss Maria. And out. Breath in again. And out. Drop here. A little tight there. Head relax. Fingers for me. Interlock and then squeeze down and breathe in and fall back into me. Fall, fall, fall. Look up. Wow. Huge motion. That's awesome. And out. Wow. I can feel all the tension right here. Yeah. So we're gonna relax the hips here. Put a little pressure down here in the hips and the pelvis just to open that up, and we're gonna just breathe in deep. All the way out. Wow. How do we do there? I'm going to bring you over this way. You relax the hips, like so, Miss Carolina. I'm going to bring you this way. And this is so I can hold you so you don't roll off the table.
Okay.
Right? Your head stays right there and you won't go anywhere. And then I'm going to contact the lumbar spine. And you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise, but it's not the bones rubbing together again, right? So we're going to breathe in. All the way out. Okay, and then I'm going to lean over you here, so it's pocket to pocket there. Drop the hips. How'd we do there?
Good.
Come on over this way. All the way out. There we go. Drop the hips all the way.
Oh, that feels so good.
Good job. Same thing. We're going to breathe in, Miss Carolina. And out. Head relax. And we're going to breathe in again. And out. Drop there. Wow. Amazing, huh? A little harder. And out, breathe out. You squeeze harder. There we go. Fall back. Fall, fall, fall. Isn't that crazy? Think about how many people out there that are older,
Yeah.
losing function, and clueless as to why.
Yeah.
Right? Hips relax.
I think that's more painful, if anything, being amputated.
Agreed. It's the ultimate pain. And out.
Ooh, that went all the way to my hip.
Things you must do.
Yeah, yesterday I spent 4 hours in traffic.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
We love that,
I
right?
do. Oh,
That's why we moved to LA.
this is why we moved to LA, yes. The traffic.
It's the secret sauce.
It really
right
calls
there.
people out.
Yeah. So what's all this about?
I don't know, actually.
Remember when you first came in? You used to have a lot of pain.
Oh my goodness, yes.
I remember your brothers and your mom telling me how much pain. It was unreal, wasn't it?
I actually couldn't function.
Yeah, drop your head a little bit. So you were kind of on another level there. Mm-hmm. Wow. So it's still inflamed there.
I did.
Head relax. Wow. And here, you breathe in Gently fall back. Fall, 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 fall. Shoulders relax. Loose, loose. Wow.
Oh wow, it is not like it.